إن الأرض لله، تأمل في جمالها وتأمل في نهورها.
Greatest of creators.
تأمل في جبالها وتأمل في سمائها وتأمل في خلقها.
Oh Allah, you are the greatest.
إن الأرض لله، تأمل في جمالها وتأمل في نهورها.
Greatest of creators.
تأمل في جبالها وتأمل في سمائها وتأمل في خلقها.
Oh Allah, you are the greatest. Getting to the top isn't always easy. Keep on going, oh Allah will make it easy. Every step you take is a blessing to the journey. The rewards are waiting for you later early. The creator, the inventor, the designer, glorifying names of Allah. All the heavens, all creations in the universe glorifies you, oh Allah.
إن الأرض لله، تأمل في جمالها وتأمل في نهورها.
Greatest of creators.
تأمل في جبالها وتأمل في سمائها وتأمل في خلقها.
Allah, you are the greatest.
From the soil of the earth, mountains, universe, the creatures, the people, your color, we're equal. The beauty of life, the one and most high, empowered by you. When I look at the sky, the rivers of paradise, Sahain, Jahain, Firat, and now, but one day we'll be together. The love, the care, the freedom, the smiles.
Finding my own way through this land of beauty. You created everything my eyes can always see. There's no giving up, I'll always stay striving. Always learning about the beauty of the world I'm in. The creator, the inventor, the designer, glorifying names of Allah. All the heavens, all creations in the universe glorifies you, oh Allah.
إن الأرض لله، تأمل في جمالها وتأمل في نهورها.
Greatest of creators.
تأمل في جبالها وتأمل في سمائها وتأمل في خلقها.
Allah, you are the greatest.